Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play story mode in Suicide Squad. To begin your adventure, simply launch the game and navigate to the main menu. From there, you will find a clear option to select Story Mode. This will immediately immerse you into the narrative, often starting with an introductory sequence or a brief tutorial to familiarize you with the core mechanics and your chosen character. It's a straightforward process to jump right into the action and uncover the game's compelling storyline. As you delve deeper, you will choose from one of 4 iconic characters, each possessing unique combat styles and special abilities. Understanding their strengths is key to success. Combat involves a dynamic mix of powerful melee attacks, precise firearm usage, and devastating special skills that charge during battle. Missions vary widely, from defending key locations to eliminating specific targets, ensuring a diverse and engaging gameplay experience throughout the story. The story mode unfolds across several chapters, each containing a series of main missions that drive the narrative forward. Successfully completing these missions is crucial for unlocking new areas of the game world and advancing the compelling plot. As you complete objectives, you will earn valuable experience points and various rewards, which are essential for upgrading your characters and preparing them for increasingly challenging encounters. To truly master story mode, consistently upgrade your character's gear and abilities. This ensures they remain powerful enough to face tougher foes. Experimenting with different team compositions is also vital. Combining character strengths creates powerful synergies that can turn the tide of battle. Remember, you can always adjust the difficulty settings to tailor the challenge to your comfort level, ensuring an enjoyable and rewarding experience throughout your entire playthrough.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.